guys. We're going to show you how to make slime
with borax. Now, first we're going to need glue.
Food coloring. Make
Hot
sure
water.
it's red and yellow.
Just choose any color, but
Any
today
color.
we're going to take both. And now we need two bowls. Take warm water. Take a teaspoon. Now, first what we're going to do is take this bowl.
Want to pour it in? Yeah.
Wait. Okay, pour the water in. Wait, Anika, can you go get the spoon?
Hold on, guys. What to do here?
Okay, keep putting more. Okay, that's it, actually. Now, we're gonna take, oh boy, that's not enough. Actually, that's a good idea. Oh boy, I'm gonna miss or whatever. Oh my gosh.
Anyways.
Now, mix it until you can't see it. Wait, mix it until you can't see it.
Now,
Wait.
but can I mix it?
Oh wait, we're gonna need like some vanilla.
Can I do that?
Anika, can you go get like some vanilla?
Can I do that? Oh, yeah.
Okay. No, you do. Whatever.
We don't.
Okay, now we leave this one here. Now we're gonna take some glue. Here.
Can I put the food coloring?
Wait.
I want to put the food coloring.
Wait, stop. Okay, now we're gonna put the glue.
Now take extra water and pour it
wait.
in. Oh, I'm
Yeah.
Make sure it's hot
Here.
water.
Okay, I'll tell you when to stop yelling. Ooh, this is gonna be big slime.
A big one. Like,
Come on,
you won't believe it.
Now pour the
Then
water.
comes the food coloring.
Let's just keep putting. Okay, this is gonna be so big.
Oh, no!
Okay, now we gotta mix it up. Oh boy, this is hot.
Oh, can I?
Come on, let's mix it.
I want to.
Oh boy, this
I
is.
want to.
Come on, mix it.
Gotta mix
Okay.
it. I know it's this. Okay, guys. This is really disgusting, but this is really fun to make.
Okay,
Yeah,
I can't put food coloring.
I'll put it.
So,
I got one.
okay,
Someone gets a towel.
okay. Oh wait, towels.
Oh, give me.
Okay.
Hey.
Man, that's strong. Like some kind of go here. Oh, I can't even open it.
Get another towel.
There. Okay.
I'm gonna put it.
Okay. Put it 3 drops. Here. Can I?
1,
2, 3.
1.
You have to put 2. You put it like whatever. Just okay. Now let's mix it up. Okay, so
It's gonna be like some color.
Yeah, it's gonna be
Orange.
orange.
It's
we're
orange.
gonna turn it into orange, but then we're gonna put like borax. Water with borax.
I would like to put the borax.
Borax. I don't even like.
Oh, guys, we spilled.
Oh, man.
It's okay.
whatever.
It's okay, guys.
Okay, now let's put the borax.
Could I put
I put it some at the borax. Okay, now. I can't. Actually, let's just pour the.
Here comes the slime.
Is it from
Oh my gosh.
Oh, I can't believe it. Okay,
We're
now
doing this, guys.
Here.
Here comes the squishy monster slime.
Monster time! It's monster time! It's I got some on my hand.
Oh, the smell smells like glue in it.
Yes, it does.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, now leave it to me. This is like the biggest slime I've ever made. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, guys.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, now I need
Okay, now we need a container to leave it for. Okay, now we're gonna. Now we have to play with it. Just let me clean it. The bowl. Oh, somebody take this. Man, it feels like glue on it. Glue.
Okay.
Okay, so okay, now we have to play it. And then after you play it, well, we're gonna need a container and leave it for 2 minutes. And then
no.
it's slime, like
Oopsies, I
squishy
didn't
slime,
play.
but it's so weird. I can't believe we're actually doing this.
But this
Oh boy.
it's mine. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
It's
You know where
even
we
dark.
got these? We got them from
From
Target.
Target got all of the stuff. Super Target, actually.
Super
Not
Target.
Target. Super Target.
Target.
Go to Super Target. It's more better than Target. Go look at it.
Okay.
It's right here.
Hey, can I?
Look at that. That almost looks like egg. Look at that. Egg.
Hold on, let's put a little more.
Oh, okay. Now let's
Okay.
leave it on a container. No. It's already. Okay, now you can feel. Now you just keep playing. Ah, man, Anika, you're like wasting. Whatever. Look at that. Oh man, the slime.
Can I
Okay,
try
wait.
it? Okay,
Okay.
now I'm gonna watch.
Wait. I think you're gonna need to leave it on a container for 2 minutes.
Yeah, 2 minutes.
And then leave it on a container 2 minutes, like any container. I mean, like as you know, like this kind of container, like as big, like it could fit. And leave it for 2 minutes.
Okay, guys.
And
I got a
then-
different color.
And then you could, and then it's squishy slime.
I made it.
Look at that! It's squishy slime.
Guys, look at my.
This one.
Oh my!
No, okay.
Man, this is like slimy stuff.
This is enough.
Yeah, it's like so many borax. with
Wait,
slime.
What one should I get?
Let's see if we can make more.
Daddy.
Let's make more, guys.
Oh no.
Oh my god.
Oh, there's more.
Okay,
too.
let go. Get,
I'm
here,
gonna
let's
do this
put
one.
more.
I'm gonna
Let's
do
put more. Okay, let's see if we can. This
need the
color is
water.
gonna be like weird.
Elevate.
Really weird.
Put the water. Okay. It's like
No, I want to.
okay. Now let's mix it up.
Where's
Dude,
the
this
borax,
guy?
guys?
This guy is like so big. It's the biggest one I've ever made. Look at that.
Okay,
Look at
guys,
it.
we
Just
need to put
look at it.
borax.
We don't got water to put the borax in.
I know. No, whatever. Oh yeah, I'm right. What are we
Let's
gonna
get
do?
Go and get more water, Lucas.
You get it. You get it.
I got slime.
I'm gonna put the slime.
You got it.
Daddy, go get the water.
Someone get the water. Get the water.
Okay, I'll
Save
go get
it.
hot water.
Oh my gosh, guys.
Oh my
It's
goodness.
on me.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Guys, this one's gonna be mine.
Okay.
Let me
Okay, there
put
we
a
go.
teaspoon
Now.
of borax. Let me put the borax.
No. Actually, it's kind of messy, so I'll just. Here, I'll do it. Oh, see the way. Okay, now let's mix it up.
Okay. Now we need to put
This
some
one's
more.
gonna be mine. You think let me mix it?
No.
This
Okay.
one's mine.
Let's just put that.
Why can't I just-
Let's see if we can make more. Wait. Guys, get out of the way. I'm gonna put some borax. There, hot water. I can't believe you made slime.
Guys, this one's mine.
Slime.
Okay, guys.
Look at
Let me
Mom.
mix
Mom, look at the slime.
That's our mom right there.
Yeah.
The first time you see her.
She's a really good cooker.
Yeah.
You gotta see this yummy soup.
Oh, I think you made slime already.
Okay,
Yeah,
Mommy,
just play with it.
Mommy, can I
Nope.
one?
We need more borax.
No, ty trzeba bájet.
What?
Oh, buddy!
What is going on? I can't believe it. Here, let's put it.
More glue.
And we're like doing nothing here, like wasting. Look at that. It costs like $10. Never mind, it didn't cost. How
Okay.
much did it cost?
Guys, look at this.
I wonder if it's like
$10.
$10 for this?
Wiggle, wiggle.
No, for everything.
Oh no.
Hey, let's everybody wiggle dance. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
So it's like two of the. So it's like this one's $2 and this one's like
Guys.
$3 and that's like $5. I can't believe they make such a.
They don't make such a thing here.
Okay, guys. Like and subscribe.
Hold
and-
on, guys. I'm gonna put all the colors.
Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna put
Okay.
this.
So like the button, like here, and subscribe and look at our pictures. The picture with some kind of thingy.
Our dad.
No,
His name
it's
is Jared.
Rubik's cube. That's it. That looks like a Rubik's cube with my hand. Yeah, that's push that. Just push that. It looks like just push that
Button.
like button.
Guys,
I said like button. Just push that button and probably you'll see more videos. So, okay, bye.
Bye
Look at
bye.
that, it's like a brain. So, bye.
Wait, guys. I have an idea.
No, we have to say goodbye.
Bye bye. I got nothing else.
Bye.
Oh my gosh, guys, I have a joke. What? Oh no. Okay, never mind. Bye bye.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Bye.